Dude, I don't know if I want to do this.
Well, you're doing it.
That's gross.
Just smell
You
it.
do it, Austin.
No, just smell it.
Alright, I'll smell it.
You blow.
I can't blow.
That sucks. You need more gin.
Justin blowing it really quick. Wait, no, hold on.
Stick in my nose. Blow as hard as you can. That's what she said. Let me pour more gin.
You're such a gushy.
Tang? Gush. Tang.
It's not going. The gushy is out. Did Austin go get more?
Get more in.
There you go. Here, can I have the Oreo? Can I have the Oreo?
Half of it.
No, give me the Oreo.
No,
Can I eat the Oreo?
I get it. I get it.
No, screw black Oreo in it. No, I'm putting black Oreo in it.
What?
And then can I have the Oreo?
No.
It's yogurt, everybody. It's yogurt.
How do you know?
Yeah, but it could be something else.
No.
Everything you say is gonna be posted, so just be careful. You're sitting there saying it.
Dude, don't put it on Facebook, I swear.
Put it on YouTube.
Hang on. Yeah, I don't care about YouTube, because
Yeah.
no one's really gonna
No,
see that.
yeah, I'll be on YouTube in a second. I don't have Wi-Fi, so I can't do it. Oh my god. You just found like a buttload of it in there. Let me eat some. Ew, it's gushing out the side.
I just want to see what it tastes like.
It
Like,
tastes like yogurt.
You'll find that out when it gets like all over you. Oh, it smells like.
You can still imagine inhaling with the gushy food in here.
Oh, you smell it in the other end.
Guys, one more.
Oh my god. Dude, look at Austin's fingers are all like. Oh!
Okay.
It sucks.
I just want
You jizzed. Nice.
Stop, hobo. I just want more question back on. Thanks.
Make sure.
We can have the rest of this one.
I just want to make sure that I don't see it down the hole.
Yeah. You can have the rest of it.
Alright, come on, let's get started.
Okay, ready?
You're gonna get that DVD. Do I get a towel?
Yeah.
I'll get a towel.
Okay. No, come on. I'll give you one in a second.
How much is in there? Oh my god. I don't know. I don't want to do this anymore, dude. It's so much.
Just smell it.
Jesus. It smells good. It has Oreo in it. It has a present for you.
Like halfway down.
Oh my god, it's so far in my eye. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.